Hello everyone, I am Dr. Khushboo Sandhu from School of Management, Sage University, Bhopal. And today I am here to explain you all about the benefits of training and development in an organization. Every day there are new technologies, applications and software being introduced as upgraded solutions for improvement and progress. This means that there is going to be a continuous skill gap that will need to be addressed. Employee training is an effective way of ensuring that. Through training, employees can upskill and improve their performance at work. Even when qualified professionals have to go through training, as all organizations have specific requirements from each role, and any prior knowledge may not necessarily cut it. Constantly learning through various methods as and when required is the best option in these professional environments. Training is not just meant for the newly recruited but also for the existing workforce. It is vital to be trained before the initial phase of any project to ensure that everyone on the team is on the same page and well prepared for the projects and its challenges. We can say that training is a worthwhile investment, even if it demands spending money, time, and other resources. So, to understand why training is important, let's explore the list of benefits of training to an organization. Here are some points which shows that how organization can be benefited with the help of training. First point is learning opportunities. One of the benefits of training is to offer learning opportunities for the employees of an organization. It doesn't matter whether the employees are experienced or not. At the same point, they will have to upskill to keep up with the latest technologies and developments. Training provides the employees with the opportunity to do just that and boost their skills. Next, strength development. A weak team will only deter the growth of an organization, especially with the competition growing in the market every day. It has become crucial for organizations to invest in their teams and play to their strength. Corporate trainings programs are designed to help employees focus on their strength and further work on developing them. Next, addressing weaknesses. As much as it is important to work on your strength, it is equally important to address on your weaknesses. In a working environment, weaknesses could mean skill gaps. There are training methods available that are perfect for filling such skill gaps and help employees to become more proficient. Because only with the help of proficient employees, organizational objectives will be achieved. Next, boosting employee performances and productivity. Training programs are designed to help organizations optimize employee performance, enhancing their knowledge and skills. In turn, it can have a positive impact on their performance. Training implicitly motivates employees to perform more efficiently, and the increased engagement drives productivity. Thus, training effectively helps organizations get the best out of their workforce. Next, adherence to quality standards. Every organization has its own requirements, which means that the skills for an employee may or may not be enough for a particular role. So, to ensure that the employees stick to the standards of the organization, training is essential. This is especially true for new hires who are usually unaware of how the organization works. So, this is a good way to introduce them to their work and what will be expected from them as the employees of that organization. Next, consistency at work. One of the most important benefits of training employees on soft skills is that they develop a great work ethic and improve communication at the workplace. Naturally, it introduces consistency at work and again drives productivity in the organization. This is due to the positive impact that the training instills on employees. They will be able to project the same energy into the work they do. Next, improved morale and job satisfaction. It is tough to be motivated day in, day out, and organization needs to understand that. Several training, interesting as well as engaging. Training creates positive learning atmosphere and strengthens the skills of the employees. Good performance will improve their morale and in turn will result in job satisfaction. Next, lower turnover rate. Once job satisfaction comes into the picture, there is no need to worry about the turnover rate as it will definitely reduce. One of the key benefits of the training to employers is that it improves the retention rate of the employees and thus helps the organization to build a competent workforce. Next is innovation and risk acceptance. One of the primary reasons for increased competition in the market is all the technological advancement and innovation that challenges people to get out of their comfort zone and embrace progress. This can only be done by accepting all the risks that come with it. However, people will be least likely to take risk if they don't have the expertise. This is where corporate training can fill the gap, drive innovation, and impress positive changes that may otherwise seem risky. Next, improved reputation of the organization. Obviously, a strong training strategy can make an employer brand and it will drive more skills into the organization. New graduates and recruits can will see the company as a reputed one and make it a prime consideration. The last is training reinforcement. Employee training is not merely meant to be an orientation day one off program, but a continuous effort to develop skills throughout their work span in the organization. A one time training will not only be ineffective for employees, but also a disaster for the organization as it will eventually affect the quality of the workforce. Only skilled and great leadership can drive an organization to success. So, retaining such skills are vital to any business that seeks long term accomplishments. Thank you.